Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can use the app I built to convert your WordPress website into a Dialogflow agent like the one I just showed you. Now the first thing you need is a plugin called Export All URLs. This is what the plugin page looks like. It's created by Atlas Gondal, and you have to have this plugin because the app only works with the output created by this particular plugin, and it doesn't work with any like random CSV file. You need to have this plugin installed in your WordPress site, which also means that you need admin permissions to that site, because of course if you have to install a plugin on a website, you need to have a way to install like plugins and stuff like that. All right, so the next thing that you need to do is, once you have installed the plugin, you should go to the tools section in your WordPress site and click on this export all URLs. You'll have this option once you install the plugin. And the next thing you must do is select the type of post that you are trying to extract all the URLs for, and make sure that you select all the data here: post IDs, titles, URLs, categories. Choose only those posts which are published, obviously, because if you have to link to them and people click on it, they should be able to see the article. And finally, choose the export type as CSV. Now, one of the questions you might have is, well, what if I want to extract multiple types of posts, like both posts and pages and maybe other stuff? You can do that. You have to do that in sequence, so you select one post type at a time, but you can always concatenate or append all that information within your CSV file in the spreadsheet software that you're using. That won't take you much time. And once you do that, you can take a look at the CSV file that you downloaded using that plugin, and it looks like this. You have the post ID column, and then a title, and the URLs, and then categories. It's important that the file that you export has to have exactly these column names, even including uppercase and lowercase, and including, it has to be case sensitive. All right, so you have created a file, a CSV file from the plugin, and you have downloaded it to your computer. So what you have to do next is you have to go to my app, and you should be able to do the conversion at that point.